Knee replacement surgery is when we replace a patient's damaged joint, remove their cartilage, and replace that with a man-made joint, usually metal or plastic.
A knee replacement surgery can improve a patient's quality of life by allowing them the ability to move more without having increased pain, with giving more range of motion to their actual joint itself.
A knee replacement typically will reduce a patient's pain by getting rid of the damaged cartilage and thereby removing the very irritated nerve endings in the bone that are painful when a patient's bearing weight or just having the bones touch each other in an awkward way. It also functions to remove the large amount of swelling that a lot of people have. People who have bad knee arthritis often have massive swelling in the knee. The vast majority of patients will feel better within 3 to 4 weeks after their joint is replaced. The full recovery process, knee replacement patients will tell you, takes more than 6 months.
After a knee replacement surgery, a patient can anticipate spending some time in a post-anesthesia recovery unit or a PACU, which eventually they will work with a physical therapist or an occupational therapist, and they will be discharged home with a member of their family. After that, there is a partnership between the patient as well as their surgeon's office, and they may be prescribed outpatient physical therapy, in which they will communicate back to their surgeon office their progression to see where their baseline, if they're getting back towards their baseline.
What I would tell someone who is nervous about knee replacement surgery is that a lot of the horror stories that they've heard in the past had to do with issues regarding pain control that we had at the turn of this century. Our pain control methods have become vastly improved, and as a result, at least 20% of my knee replacement patients are now having outpatient surgery and going home the same day. So we know we were doing better.
A patient can expect after a knee replacement to get back to their activities of daily living is all generally individualized. So a patient that was very mobile before or very active after joint replacement can be still very active again. It all depends on the individual pain and the mobility of the patient themselves. It's very important that they communicate their expectations as well as their surgeon's expectations when they initially see their physicians so that there's a clear path to follow.